Ito Dunbe. We have been 30 to 70% because at a point, most first of all, my mom was living in Laarin, I was living in Lagos. Most park me at a point, most of them parasite when we shame. When I got me look on you, Oyinade Adegbenro for long, you know, doing go share. Till Bawari go share, go back. Me there was meant to be a light at the end of the tunnel. I was still going, me still light. Me go jumping, job me really repeat so I was devastated. What is sue me? Oyinade Adegbenro ni orúkọ mi. Mo jẹ́ Oṣere orí ìtàgé. Mo dẹ̀ tún jẹ́ olóòtú.
So, ṣe sinimá tẹ́ ń ṣe yìí, ẹ ti kó sínú ẹ̀ ó tó bí ọdún mélòó báyìí? And your name, like how many movies they produce for you?
Produce for me,
Maro. So what are the names?
And then Regrets.
So going into movie, how does it ban the she go for what scene or issue?
At first, for support me, pops that will say that mom see me nothing of anything. She supports me. At a point, most I go put on most I saw mom see me. Yeah, that's mom see me talk bad about my so I go buy him from me. Most shelo me only she theater directly. I have to study mass communication. Okay, only last she got to. In fact, what's in location that photo to go finish support me. Then pops me not read me that movie. What's okay? Pride
then that break, why? Yeah, okay, at least more. Something read me.
That was 2016. That's first movie.
Really? Wow, about the experience, you know, bringing people together and
because my fish first me around production crew before but my production accountant, but man tell director, so ni little experience about filmmaking. So but my fish the only thing I did was I want to okay, the likes of Adebayo Tijani, Muideen, Oladapola, Adekola Tijani, Latif, Afa Latif of Blessed Memory. I want to one good knowledge about what mo fẹ́ ṣe because mo fẹ́ sọ pa náà by the culture but modern day story ni so mo ní láti pa àwọn tí mo ti rí iṣẹ́ wọn tí mo pé okay
at least
never go wrong so with them ọkàn mi balẹ̀ láti mo sì ní gbogbo àwọn pẹ̀lú mi so finance ló ọkọ̀ fẹ́ adúpẹ́ aṣáàrí gbogbo ayé wọn ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ in fact the movie gave me 4 nominations at the Best of Nollywood Award.
Wow. Wow, wow. Yeah. So, Tabawo, you very sound. Then why Yoruba? Why choose Yoruba genre amongst movie in Nigeria?
Then when I wanted to join, I wanted to move to industry at first was Sadiq Adebayo. So Yoruba then is Sadiq Adebayo. So that was how I started at first. But along the line, I'm not in English. Yeah, I'm going to shoot for cinema. English. So I've done a lot of English movies. Motishe in a major role in the cinema job that is yet to be.
So the journey for 10 years. What are the shortcomings? What are the gains?
Ito Dunbe. We have been 30 to 70% because at a point, most first of all, my mom was living in Laarin, I was living in Lagos. Most park me at a point, most of them parasite when we shame. When I got me look on you, Oyinade Adegbenro for long, you know, doing Oṣere. Till Bawari Oṣere, go back.
What was the challenge then?
There was meant to be a light at the end of the tunnel. I was still going, meeting the light. Go jumping, job me really repeat so I was devastated. What is sue me? But that same year, not the most first.
Then today.
I bless God. Although we are not where we want to be,
but this.
No.
But that light here, have you seen that light now?
Mori,